We'll be with the race. 2,400 meter mark, and they're off and racing for the imported non-winners to 3 winners. Maximum local 3-year-olds, imported horses. At the lead, at the outside, starting to move up the outside, moving forward in the lead at the early stages. Bright Sicily by Excellent Art, and she is now in an excellent pace, leading the field in 3rd place. Water Dancer is running out the outside, chased by Chaining Glitter out the outside on the field, and between them is Golding Aquila, looking not comfortable. He's just lifting to the right and the left as they run the backstretch and pass the clubhouse turn, and a really pace appear to be increasing. Allegedly 0.69 as these two horses are crossing together the clubhouse turn, and it's just between Bright Sicily and in 2nd place Loose Buddy by Real Buddy, and this Buddy is just linking in 2nd place as they run the backstretch, and they are passing the 1600 distance meter mark. It's Bright Sicily on the lead, and in 2nd place, here is Loose Buddy at the outside, and behind them all, Water Dancer in 3rd place, just at the outside, looking comfortable, and all the field is just watching what is going to be happening between Bright Sicily and Loose Buddy. Loose Buddy is just fading away. And on the lead, Bright Sicily is moving forward. Behind him, News at 9 out the outside with the yellow silks and the red hat. And it's Bright Sicily till now holding on strongly on the lead. Is now moving forward. As they cast the 1,000 meter mark, Bright Sicily is moving forward. And Shiny Home is just chasing. Stable Z is just trying hard. And these horses are coming together to the 600 distance meter mark. And it's just the final last turn. And Bright Sicily is moving up these horses. And these 4 horses are crossing together the 400 distance meter mark. And from the far outside, Lemon Gator. Lemon Gator is just drawing hard. And it's just the last battle between Process and News at 9. News at 9 is just between them. And it's coming from off the pace. Here was Lemon Gator as the last 150 meter mark. Lemon Gator is moving forward in front of News at 9. And it's Lemon Gator in the winning line. News at 9 in 2nd.